my name is Sunny, Marketing Manager TDM. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you a double door carbon steel electric enclosure. And this is a freestanding design used in the interior environment because there's no outdoor the top cap. And also we have installed the 4 rings for the easy installation. For this, although this is a double door, but this door is it's stable. And but this door you cannot open. Just so you can only open this door because this is for the client's requirement, and this is for the client's requirement. And actually, the inner structure is very simple. The back panels and the D rails and some locking system, different styles of the locking. So this here it looks good. This carbon steel enclosure actually we have the plastic color, plastic color on the surface, so this can stay longer in a different environment. So if you want to custom a double door electric enclosure, KDM is the first choice. Contact KDM and let's rock it, right?